Did you know that plants actually lose water to the atmosphere through their leaves? This natural process, known as transpiration, plays a pivotal role in the life of a plant. Let's dive into how this fascinating system works. Imagine the roots of a plant as a bustling water uptake hub. Here, roots absorb water from the surrounding soil, creating what is known as root pressure. This pressure isn't just about hydration, it creates a higher water potential in the roots compared to the leaves, setting the stage for a journey upwards. As water moves from the roots, it travels through the xylem vessels, akin to tiny straws running the length of the plant. This movement relies heavily on capillary action, where the cohesive properties of water molecules allow them to stick together and climb upwards against gravity. The journey doesn't end here. When water reaches the leaves, something remarkable happens. Water molecules evaporate out of the leaves through tiny pores on the leaves called stomata, in a process fueled by both the heat of the sun and the leaf's own temperature. This evaporation creates a negative pressure, or a pull, which is known as transpiration pull. This pull is the heart of the transpiration stream, continuously drawing more water and nutrients up from the roots to replace what was lost, maintaining a steady flow that nourishes the entire plant. However, several external factors finely tune this process. Light intensity, for instance, plays a dual role. It not only encourages the stomata to open to capture light for photosynthesis, but also increases the rate of transpiration. When light levels are high, especially in the presence of blue light, guard cells surrounding stomata become turgid, causing stomatal opening. This allows for the exchange of gases necessary for photosynthesis, such as carbon dioxide and oxygen. However, when stomata are open for gas exchange, water vapor can also escape through transpiration. Therefore, higher light intensity often correlates with increased stomatal opening, leading to greater transpiration rates. Similarly, relatively higher temperature accelerates water evaporation from plant leaves by transpiration. This happens because higher temperatures increase the rate of photosynthesis, which in turn required more carbon dioxide to enter the leaf through the open stomata. This increased demand for CO2 leads to a greater opening of stomata, thereby increasing transpiration rates. But if it gets too hot, plants can close their stomata to conserve water, cleverly reducing water loss. Humidity levels also dictate this dance of water loss by transpiration. In high humidity, the air is already saturated with water vapor, causing a reduction in the plant's need to release moisture. On the flip side, low humidity can lead to increased transpiration rates, as the drier air pulls moisture more aggressively from the leaves. And let's not forget the role of air movements. A gentle breeze can whisk away the humid air layer around the leaf, enhancing evaporation and thus transpiration. However, strong winds might strip too much moisture too quickly, stressing the plant. In essence, transpiration is not just about water movement, it's a complex interplay of internal and external forces that ensure plants not only survive but thrive. It helps in nutrient uptake, maintains cell turgidity, and even cools the plant, much like sweating helps regulate our body temperature. So the next time you water a plant, remember you're not just quenching its thirst. You're kickstarting a sophisticated, life-sustaining process that's as vital as the very air they purify.